Hello, my name is Thắng and
My name is Zhang.
today we would like to perform the dialogue making arrangement to all of you. Now let's get started.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Thanks, I'm fine too. Are you free this Saturday?
Why? What's happening this Saturday?
Well, if you are free, why don't we have a talk with foreigners around Salt Lake?
Oh, that's too bad. I have to go to school.
Well, and how about Sunday?
Sunday? Wait a minute. Let me check my schedule one more time. Hi, guys, what? I'm free on Sunday.
Wonderful. Can we meet at 8 a.m.?
8 a.m.? Okay. Where shall we meet?
Mm, we will meet at the statue of Niteto beside Salt Lake.
Ooh, that's great.
And how will you get there?
I think I will go there by bus.
Would you mind if I pick you up?
Sure, why not? I love to. That's all about our performance. Thanks for watching and see you next time.